Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. I'm super excited today because we are going to talk about crypto. We're going to talk about the first movers like crypto punks and crypto kitties. So I'm super excited to show you guys some things about them and when they started and how long it took them to progress to get to this stage of their life. Okay guys, you know crypto punks is selling for $250,000 guys. That's totally massive, especially from where they started till now, right? So we are going to dive in. Remember guys, this project of crypto kitties and crypto punks, it actually started in 2017 and right now we're in 2021. So 4 years from now, of course it's gonna grow. So all the people that held this, look at all the massive growth and the gains that they got. And honestly guys, there must have been so much people that told them this is not gonna be worth anything, this is gonna be worthless, but the people that held it, look at the fruits of their labor, they're just gonna be enjoying that money. Okay guys, so today I want to show you guys what Ecomi can do. And this is the thing a lot of people are not understanding. They're just thinking that because a lot of flops have happened that this project itself is just not worth it. But guys, you got to understand that they're putting in the work in the background. We don't know actually what's going in the background. That's the other thing. So we just have to go with our instincts and see that this is going to play out the right way. Okay guys, so right now we do have the charts in front of you. I'm going to be talking more about the price analysis and exactly what happened last night till today on where the price has gone from yesterday's price. Okay guys, so we see that it did go to the highs right here of 0.0028 and it dropped all the way down guys, all the way back down to 0.0026. I'm super excited and happy about this level because this is another level for me to buy more Omi tokens guys. And for me to buy more Omi tokens, that's an amazing bag for me because I do already have a lot. I really do want to go to 20 mil of Omi tokens. So I want to have 20 million of Omi tokens. That's the end goal for me. I could say I'm more than halfway there. I love this project. I'm in shock that a lot of people don't see the potential of this. So I'm going to keep going with this price analysis guys. So the trend line that we have drawn right here, if you guys look, it had one touch there we talked about. The second touch was right here at 0.0021. And then we do have another touch, a similar touch. Okay guys, this touch is very close, but it's not there. So guys, don't get fooled. A trend line does not mean it has to specifically touch it. It can be somewhat close to it guys. You got to understand there's sell-offs real close, buys real close, so it's very close. So these are also touches I do consider in my program that I do teach. Even though they're not as dramatic touches as this, you want to at least have 3 touches for a trend line to be solid. If it doesn't have 3 touches guys, the trend line is not solid, so it's not really strong enough to hold a price action, a position for you guys to take a buy or sell there. That's what I would teach my students as well. This horizontal line right here that I've drawn in the previous videos, it shows the support and resistance of this leg of this move. Okay guys, so right here we have so much cluster of support and resistance. This is on our side, reasons why we're above the trend line. So right now coming back down, it is going to be a lot of support for it to break to the downside. But guys, once again, this does not mean it won't break down. It absolutely can. And remember guys, this is not financial advice, this is my advice, and stay tuned because we are going to dive in and see what is possible in this trade. Okay guys, so once again, when we looked at this, look at this exact touches. Did it break to the outside of the trend line? No, it did not. See guys, it was just rejections, the tails and the pin bars that are touching inside the trend line. Okay guys, it did not break to the outside, so that is good to go. Okay, there is fake outs, you know, the markets could break out and just come back in, so those are considered fake outs. This could be a fake out guys, but the way that I see the project going, also the way that I see a lot of good support and resistance, looking at the stochastics on our side, the indicator itself, it is oversold. This is a good spot guys. Even though it's oversold doesn't mean it can't go down. And once again, I'm going to show you guys a price and where it could go if it's going to go down. So I do have my stop loss right here guys. I do have 2 positions. One of my stop losses here, reasons why I truly do believe if it's gonna go make a lower low, get some kind of resistance right underneath these levels again. So I'm gonna draw it out for you guys. I just took the tool right now. So if it does break this leg of this trend line, it goes back up, find some kind of support of or resistance on the previous resistance spots, then I could truly see it going back down to this line of 0.0016. That is another position that I'm gonna buy so much guys. I'm super excited to buy more. That is a good spot for me. But if it does break this level guys, if it does break this level, I truly believe not trading Omi at the very moment. I think Omi at that moment where it does break this and makes a lower low needs time to recuperate. If it does break this line, guys, of support and resistance, I think Omi needs time to understand what it is doing wrong and what they could do to make their drops or even their tokens or the utility of the tokens even better for the people and the users like us. Okay, guys, so we need them to start putting forth more implements to make it more usable and friendly to us, so we can start buying it and we can see the vision that they have as well. But if it doesn't go that way, which I don't personally see it, but if it does go, guys, it will go down and it could go dramatically, because a lot of people honestly don't believe in this project, and I could see it, right? I see a lot of people telling me, you know what, Omni's not going anywhere, but there's so much great people that do believe in it. So I think it's a 50-50. I think the way they need to brand it and put it on ads and stuff like that, that's where a lot of people are gonna get to know this more or less. So this is the way they need to do this, guys. Also, the way that I did know Ecomi was not through Vivi, it was actually through the token Omi. I was into it by trading it. I've seen potential. I did have a great opportunity to buy in the beginning. I did sell off near the very top, so I'm really happy I did take profits, guys. I do see more potential here. This is why this move is continuing to that side. I did put 2 take profits for my positions. The first one, I put the take profit right here, but the line's right here for the take profit, 0.0034. I do see the third take profit. This is a little bit, you know, it's gonna take a little time, but it is possible and it is going to be reached, 0.004. This is a massive move for me. I do believe in this move. I am already up once again. I did move one position to break even. The other position is on the bottom of the very low of the position where the leg started. Once again, if it does break this trend line, guys, and it finds some kind of resistance and support, remember, support becomes resistance in this line right here. If this resistance level gives it a tough issue, guys, it is gonna go down. I think this is our strongest hold at this very moment. You know, if it breaks this line, guys, truly, I don't see a comeback in the near future. I see it taking a little bit longer to find more adaptability and find more utilities that it can help us with, guys. So that's the other worry, okay? But right now we do have this back of this trend line that is giving us support, this trend line that's giving us support, also this horizontal support and resistance line also giving us support. So we do have a lot of support here, guys. So if it does break to the downside, like I said, don't be worried. Understand that this does happen, but truthfully, I can see a good price action going towards the upside. We'll see how much it could go. Even if it's 20% from here, that's still a little gain. I will judge it throughout the day, see what kind of candle patterns that it does give us in the time of the trade, and then we'll dictate if we're gonna be in the market or we're gonna exit real quick, guys. Best profit, guys, is even 1%. Even if you make 1%, that's still profit. Remember, at the end of the day, profit is profit. So understand, don't be greedy. Understand the markets can change and you have to work with it and understand how to better yourself in this position. Okay, guys, so let's move on to CryptoPunks. I wanted to show you guys this. I thought this was really cool. Okay, so once again, we're looking at the top sales 7 days ago. All right, and look at this, guys. This is really crazy to me right here. $250,000 right there, $239,000, $233,000, and these are just, guys, pictures. Look at this. Like, they don't move, you can't even put them anywhere. Like, that's all it is, guys, and they found value at this. Yes, this is the first mover. I understand that. That's why they got the people to dive in, but not a lot of people knew what NFT was, guys. So in order for this to move, and it took 4 years, what do you really think is gonna happen to Ecomi, guys? I truly believe Ecomi has so much potential, guys. Yes, this is one of one. That's why the prices are different. I'm assuming that's what this is. I see Ecomi going really to the moon. I can see so much potential in Ecomi. When you look at CryptoPunks, it is unique in a sense that it was the first one, so I do like that aspect of it. But other than that, I don't see any value for myself. You know, it looks cool to have. Like I said, art can be to anyone. Anyone can find art really beautiful. So at the end of the day, I shouldn't be able to judge this and say it's a bad project. I'm not here to lowball anyone. I see that there's so much potential. That's why the money and the gross net is ridiculously high, guys. Also, guys, if you look at CryptoKitties, this is also an amazing project that has sparked a lot of attention to the NFT. Once again, look at this, guys. Look at the price. Look at that, 37,000 guys, 9,000, 4,000, and that's just this type of art, guys. Right now, guys, we are so lucky. We have such an amazing platform, guys, like VV. We could collect Batman, we could collect a lot of things, guys. This project, the only way I see it going is going up, guys. This is such a bullish company, guys. If you don't want to take part of it, I truly believe you don't have to. No one's telling you, no one's forcing you, but just don't put down the people that are investing their hard-earned money to see this project go to the moon, guys. I'm gonna repeat what I truly do believe it's gonna happen. I've already put some money into this. I do have 2 trades going through right now. Of course, we're in profit. We took positions here. Right now we are here at 0.0026. I do have a great position. I am looking for take profit 2. Take profit 1 is going to be my decision. I'm going to see where take profit 1 is while watching the markets go. If I do feel comfortable and it hits take profit 1, I am going to let the market run to take profit 2, and from there I will see if I could buy more. We'll see how the markets go, and like I said, guys, if I do feel comfortable, take profit 3 is going to be right around the corner. And if it does go down, guys, don't worry about it. You need to understand these type of markets, you gotta go day by day. You cannot just cry about it when it doesn't go your way. Give it time to move, okay, guys? Like I said, it needs oxygen, and this is the leg it takes. Breaths, guys, going down. It needs that, guys. At the end of the day, just like a bow and arrow, guys, you need to take time and pull that reel back, okay? If you want it to go yards, you need to pull that reel far and let it go, because honestly, that's what it takes. You need to pull it back, and that's where the breathing space is. Once it goes down, that's the leg it breathes for it to shoot really high to the sky, okay, guys? That's where we're gonna go. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do more analysis right here in this position. If we do see a bullish candle and a lot of good things on the other end of the support, I do see it going up. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna update you. Let's get this money. Let's make sure we all eat today. And honestly, guys, thank you so much for viewing my videos. Thank you for the support. I can't wait to show you guys more. Stay tuned, and John out.